In this problem, Pete here takes a loan from his bank to buy a car for $235,000. He agrees to repay the loan over 54 months. The first installment's paid 1 month after. The bank charges 11%. We've got we've got a car loan, we've got the number of payments, get the monthly installment. Gee, this is pretty straightforward. There's no curveballs in here. We just put the P, the loan right there. We put the interest rate there. We put 54 in where N goes into the form that's all about loans. And all we do is take this 235,000 and divide by this whole thing up here, or do it in 2 steps, multiply by this and divide by that. And you're going to get that X equals 5,536 Rand and 95 cents. Okay, calculate the total amount of interest that Pete will have, that he'll have to pay during the first year of the repayment of the loan. Whoa, there's a lot to figure out here. So we're going to calculate the total amount of interest. So we need the total amount that he's going to pay in the first year. That's one thing we're going to need. 12 times 5,000 and this payment, 5,536. You get 66,443 Rand. That's the total he paid. But hey, there's a bit to think about here. What we need here is to figure out the outstanding balance after 1 year. So how much does he owe after 1 year? Well, what do? You grow the loan for what the bank would want with 1 year. Then you use future value for 1 year with the payment, and you subtract. And that's how much is the outstanding balance. But the real question is, how much has he paid off? Well, I just subtract that, and I would get how much he paid off. And then we just take this 66,000, the total that he paid, minus what he's paid off. That's what he's managed to pay off. Everything else is interest. So that's what you subtract to get the interest. So what he's paid off is the loan minus this outstanding balance. And that's at 42,000. The total he paid was 66,000, and the difference is the interest. That's a bit tricky.